Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an oil light reset on a 2021 Nissan Rogue. Now this may apply for, Sentras, Maximas, whatever. I'm not sure. First we're going to push it once, turn everything on. All we're going to do is use these buttons right here. So we're going to scroll over to our settings. Settings gonna be that one. Hit your OK button. Gonna bring up a lot of options. Again, we're just using this. We're gonna use your thumb wheel to scroll down. Go down to the next page, right there to the maintenance. We're gonna push that, and it'll change your oil control system. We're gonna push to enter that. You can see I already reset it, but when it comes up to reset, all you do is just scroll it down and push it. See there, it came up to confirm reset. Hit yes, just push it again. And it resets back to what it was. Your back button. I go back. Go down to the oil and filter. Again, just push it. Reset. I already reset it. Again, push your button. And right there you can actually change your mileage. Whatever oil interval you want to set it to, and change selection. Yeah, we are already set there, and it'll come up like it did before. Scroll back. If you have your tire rotation set up, same thing. Scroll down to it, push your button, reset it. I already have it reset, so push it. Yes. We normally recommend 3,000. It's set at 5,000 with the oil change. Whatever you guys like rotating your tires at. Very important to rotate your tires all the time. Especially do it during your oil change. You can keep it, all together at one shot. And we're just gonna back all the way out. Go back to the customer's preferred thing. And that's it. Shut it off, and we're done. And if this video has helped you at all, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell button for new content all the time, or as soon as I can get it. I'm going to be doing some other building projects, so I might add some more of that kind of stuff too. But comment, share, like, that algorithm gets me more views, gets me more followers. So please, I'm doing this to help all you guys out. It's simple. If anybody has any questions about doing an oil change on any vehicle, if we get them in, I'll do a video on them, but I'll do just a general video on a basic oil change, filter, location, drain plug, that kind of stuff. Because you can all do this on your own. It's very simple. Saves you some money from going to the dealership or to any garage to have it done. So thanks for watching the channel, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. For people that love my car, I've been thinking about making some t-shirts. So, Monster XC70 on Instagram. Check it out. World's largest lifted Volvo on 32-inch tall tires. XC70. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot.